Hey guys, you know what time it is, Sunday night, and we are gonna go live for Aerify Live. I'm super excited about today because we have a supermodel. You guys know how often I treat socialites and influencers and celebrities and models, but this one's super special. She is, thank you so much you guys for following. She is one of the most influential in Los Angeles, absolutely stunning, tall and beautiful, and really is a quite amazing person. So I'm super excited to have Arisce today. Gonna go live very soon. Hey guys, I'm really excited. Lexi, stop it. Stop. And my dog is going crazy, you guys, for Aerify time. So we are going to talk about the quiet. Hey, stop it. Sorry, you guys. She's getting a little crazy today for Aerify. So we are going to do the Complexion Revival Peeling Kit. You have to pet her. Complexion Revival Peeling Kit tonight, you guys. I'm super excited about it. You guys know that inside there are 5 different products that we're going to talk about, as well as the peeling kit, which we're going to use tonight. And then also the foaming. Oh my God, Lexi, stop it. You guys know when your dog gets crazy sometimes. Okay, so here we go. So we are going to do Aerify today with Arisce. You guys could see inside the kit. We just posted an amazing result. By the way, you guys should check Instagram on Kiki. She did phenomenal, and it was a dramatic result because we used the foaming polish, the vitamin A and the lightening cream, our sunscreen, and our mask. I hope you guys have tried this. It also goes along with other products in my line, specifically the enzyme polish, which is a mixed acid papaya cleanser. It's amazing in the morning, especially if you have those who have acne. Along with, obviously, vitamin C every morning, super important. You can add this in your morning regimen. The vitamin B hyaluronic acid twice a day. And then my favorite products, you guys, that I made originally for just anti-aging and prevention of treatment after laser and healing, the Refit Face and the Refit Eyes. So let's get Arisce on. I'm sorry for that. And double time twins. I love you guys. Today was a funny intro because Lexi started going crazy. Oh, there's the beauty.
Oh my God. Your dog was cracking me
She's
up.
going crazy over you.
Look,
you know barking... she never barks either? That's the funny part. All of a sudden I say your name and she goes crazy.
And it sounded like screaming. It sounded like human screaming. Like,
I should bring her to the bars and the clubs. When you come out, God. She can just present, you know?
Yes, just sashay and scream, honey.
Exactly.
Funny.
So listen, a lot of my followers, I'm really excited to have you on because I want a lot of my followers to meet you. They already know your eye from our Refit Eye product, which they love. And look, I know, it's such a beautiful eye.
Thank
and then
you.
Everyone on here now, they're going crazy. They're saying they're super excited. We have Double Time Twins on here. Cuban Missile Crisis is on here. They're all saying hi. I just want to tell everybody what you do and who you are because we've had a lot of interaction lately and I'm super excited to introduce you to our fans.
Oh, hi everybody. I'm Aerify Wanzer, your favorite transgender supermodel. And if I'm not your favorite, it's because you haven't heard me yet.
And you will be no matter what after this. That's all I have to say.
Yes. I love it.
Yeah, definitely super beautiful, amazing personality, striking in person, gorgeous, tall model like you guys wouldn't believe. I couldn't even believe it the first time I met her how gorgeous. But I'm really excited because your skin is so important to you. How important is skin in what you do every day?
It is the most important part because the better your skin is, the less work photographers have to do. And
exactly.
For photographers, they want to take photographs. A lot of them don't want to be professional retouchers. And so that's why they're photographers. So they want to take your picture and they don't want to do blemish, wrinkle, blemish, wrinkle, liver spot. No shade.
I know.
Like, yeah,
I know. It's true. I actually just did a, just so you guys know who are listening, I just launched a collaboration skincare line with a company called NUDESTIX, which is a makeup company in Canada. We just made their new line called NUDESTIX Skin or Nude Skin, which just came out. It's doing really well. But I made a video and we haven't launched it yet because the 2 days before I had an ingrown hair right here. and I had to pull it out to do this video, and my skin is absolutely perfect except for this red dot right here
Just
in all the
inflamed.
videos. And I keep telling them, I don't want it launched. I don't want it launched. They're like, we have to launch it because you can't retouch that because it's video. Exactly. So you guys don't even realize what Arisce has to do when it comes to photos and modeling and looks and how important. And obviously, if you're not a supermodel, there's Will. Hey, Will. If they're not a supermodel, your looks still matter to you. It's how makes you your confidence level. Even if you're the mom just taking the kids to school, or even if you're just in high school or college and you have bad acne and you really want the skin to just look better, it makes a difference. Hey, Ashley. You know, so regardless of who you are, I think that this will resonate with everybody. And the reason I made Aerify, which is why I'm excited that you're doing it, is because it was made to be affordable, an affordable kit for everybody. And exactly, if they couldn't get to the dermatologist, but they wanted a dermatologist-like result, they're saying how perfect you are, by the way. They think you're gorgeous.
I see Chirac. Love you, Chirac.
And you know, and the thing is, I wanted people to be able to get an at-home treatment that could boost their everyday regimen. Let's say you knew you had a shoot coming up in a week. You don't have the money or time to go to a dermatologist or expensive treatment. You don't want a lot of downtime. The Illuminating Mask that I made for this kit, you guys, is literally minimal downtime. I actually just did it a couple days ago, and I was peeling yesterday, but I was able to moisturize with the Soothe Moisturizer inside and a couple other products that I have. You can kind of see light, very light peeling, like right here. Can you see it? Right there. Right. That's how minimal, right there. See? Okay. But that's the point, like even right here, see a little bit? That's the point, is it's so little that you can still do your shoots, you could still be going out, you could still have makeup on and get an amazing result. The mask actually is made of really strong medical grade exfoliators. It's made of TCA, lactic acid, salicylic acid, and retinol. All those are things that a dermatologist would use on your skin if you went to the dermatologist, but in a smaller strength. So you could do this more frequently at home, once or twice a month. The kit itself lasts about 2 weeks to 3 weeks because there's other products inside. Two of the main products, which I'll go through. Now I have a question. Do you use any antioxidants or retinol on your daily regimen?
Let me see what this says.
Well, in my kit, just so you know, in my kit,
okay,
there's a retinol because I think it's important. It's very important for anti-aging. Yeah, exactly. The Hyla A. And you have, what's your ethnic background? Are you mixed?
I am mixed with, I'm mostly black, black, and then Native American, and then a lot of Irish. Yeah.
Okay, well, that actually is a high tendency to get pigmentation, actually. That combination of having African American, having Native American can get you a great tan, but as you age, can leave sunspots, can leave discoloration, that's uneven complexion. This is great because this was made for every skin type, and the vitamin A that's in here has also hyaluronic acid, you guys, which is a skin plumper. That's your wrinkle preventer. I actually made one of those in our line called Hyla B. This is a very highly concentrated hyaluronic. It's like filler in a bottle. That's in here. So you could add this additionally if you wanted more, which is what I just did now to get rid of some of the peeling, but it's already inside. And there's licorice root in here, which will brighten the skin tone. It's actually known for brightening and complexion evening. If you guys look at the Instagram picture that I posted today of this girl, Kiki, she had a lot of red, a lot of brown discoloration, and in only like 10 days, almost all of it cleared. So, you know, in general, it's going to even the complexion. Now, this high spot cream is a lightening cream. And a lot of my darker skin clients and my mixed ethnicities, they're using bleaching creams every day, like hydroquinone or BB creams that brighten the tone but have chemicals in them. This is made of actually green tea, mulberry extract, vitamin C. It has an algae extract, and it also has growth factors and licorice root. So all of this is not less chemical, less bleaching, more antioxidant protection, which will brighten your skin, and it makes you feel real. Chris is on. Chris, you just did the peel. Tell us about it. And Matthew is saying he wants to buy the Hyla A large bottle. That will be coming out the first quarter of 2021, just so you guys know. So Chris is on. He says it makes your skin feel really good. So that's
better.
our high spot, which is the lightening cream. That's a twice a day. So you're going to use this 2 times a day, morning and night. And then you're going to use your vitamin A at night. Now, my question to you is, did you already cleanse?
I did with
okay, good. I'm glad about this because I want you to tell everybody about makeup and cleansing. How difficult is it?
So I always take my makeup off with an oil first. So I use cocoa butter, literally just out of a vat, just cocoa butter.
So I'm really excited, just so you know, the NUDESKIN that I developed, I'm going to get you the whole line. I already have kits coming in. One of the products is a makeup melt. It's made of olive oil. And I want you to try it because I think you're going to die when you use it. It's going to help you remove all that makeup so easily. And then, because cocoa butter is great, but it can also clog the pores on the face. Yeah, so I want you to try it
with this.
Exactly. So the good thing is, this isn't an oil-based cleanser, but interestingly, it's water-based, but it has in it jojoba beads that are infused in here, which are oil. So fatty acid. So this is actually partially a water oil immersion. That is why it probably felt really easy to be able to cleanse without feeling dehydrated.
Yeah, and
there's also licorice root in it. So yeah, tell me, because what did you think about, you're using an oil first to get the makeup off, then what do you do?
Then you have to wash your face. Okay. Exactly. And then I usually use a toner to make sure everything's off, because with like a cotton ball, you can just see anything that was on your face is now gone.
Exactly. And in my NUDESKIN, by the way, there's a Glycolic mixed ester toner, which we'll give you. And I want you to try it. Now, I didn't make that in my line because I wanted to complement a lot of things. And everyone didn't know that because we didn't launch it until 4 months later. But now I think that type of toner actually goes really well. The idea of what you're doing with this double cleanse and then adding a toner would be great for this kit, actually. So what you're doing, you can literally just add the kit in. It's really simple. You can use your toner. You could still use your makeup remover and cleanser. The one thing that you don't probably do that I'm going to get you, and it's not in the line now, but you guys should check it out at NUDESTIX.com. At the top right, it says NUDESKIN. Go there. It's a micro exfoliation peel at home. It's like basically a daily cleanser that exfoliates the skin. It has in it enzymes, and when you rub it on the skin, you actually see the dead cells come up. It's a lemonade. It's called a lemonade detox and glow micro peel. It's basically an at-home microdermabrasion. It's really good after you've been like a whole day in makeup, because after you've cleansed, you just want to make sure the pores are open. So you could use that exfoliator, then your toner, and then right after you tone is when you should use these products. That's the timing, because you want to make sure once the toner's on, the pores are clear. You've opened them up. Now these active medical products, because this is strong. I mean, this is medical grade vitamin C, 20% vitamin C, licorice root, green tea, peptides are in here. There's anti-aging peptides. And then in here, vitamin A and licorice root. And the thing is, it's amazing that for $200, I think it's $250 for the peel plus all this, you get a lot. I mean, look, you go to Tasha, you could go to La Mer, you could go to these other ones. They're all well known. $300 sometimes for one cream.
I was like, that's one cream at La Mer.
I know, that's what I mean. And you know what's funny? The algae extract, which is La Mer is known for, and I've talked about it a lot in media, is very similar to the ones that I have in here. And actually, in my Fusion Shield sunscreen, which I want to get your take on really quick, I'm going to show everybody. This is in the kit. It's a sunscreen, but it's anti-aging. It has in it vitamin C, and it has a very similar extract to the La Mer marine extract that's in it. So you get basically anti-aging plus sun protection. But I like it. I want you to open it if you don't mind, because I want to show you something. It's actually an invisible tint. So I'm actually going to put 2 different pumps, even though you only really need one for a whole face. And if you guys, you know what? I got to do this again. Emerage. Hold on. EmerageCosmetics.com. If you guys want to get any of this, it's on our website. You can also do free virtual consultations, you guys. Yeah, exactly. So do me a favor. Rub it in and tell me what you think, because you do use so much makeup. You're also darker skin tone.
So much makeup. Yeah.
So I want to know. Yeah, I want to know, because even with all that makeup, your skin looks really beautiful. So What do you think in terms of the blend and the tint and the feel, sort of smell, feel overall? I mean, obviously with sunscreens, there's going to be a little smell because zinc itself, which is a
Yeah.
physical blocker, has a scent. But look at my hand, you guys. I'm white as a ghost, okay? And you could barely see a tint. I mean, I don't even think you can. It's
Same.
blended really easily. What do you think?
I love it. It's a perfect match. Yeah.
Great. I love that because I'm
Yeah. And it
curious to
looks,
see, you know, I use it every day, like under my eyes for sort of dark circles. But again, you would place on your sunscreen after you placed on your product, like you would tone and sort of exfoliate and tone. You'd place your medical products, then your sunscreen, then your makeup. That's typically the way to
yeah.
do it.
Hmm.
Is that what you do?
Absolutely. Yeah.
You're the queen. You're the queen of the makeup. I
Yeah.
very rarely do. I overly chemical peel, so I don't have to wear makeup. That's the thing. But lately, you know, getting into my almost 40, you guys, I'm turning 40 in December. I have to use the
Hey.
sunscreen. I know I'm getting to a certain status everyone keeps talking to me about. They call it daddy status.
Oh, I love it,
I
right?
don't know if that's true or not. It's either zaddy or daddy. It's one or the other.
Zaddy.
Exactly,
I
exactly.
love it.
But now I have to camouflage my dark circles because that's what happens at around 30 to 40, 35 to 40. So that's really, I mean, that's the main thing. And like, the one thing I wanted to tell you was in the high spot, there's actually really strong peptides in here. So this is an anti-aging brightener. And actually in my line, the one that you repped, we had an amazing, amazing, beautiful photo of you with the eye. This is the Refit Eye product. And then the Refit, I know, it's like perfect eye. And then the Refit Face. The ingredients of this are also in the high spot. So I always tell people, you need these at night at least for your anti-aging regimen. If you really want to prevent wrinkles, tighten the skin, and improve the overall look, that's what you would do. So if you could invest in it, you should add it twice a day. I do the eye at night. I do the Refit Face in the morning. And then I also add my vitamin C, my AOC, which is my 20% vitamin C in the morning. So you could do your regimen. And I'm super excited then to get you NUDESKIN too, because I want you to try it, especially with using all the makeup and everything.
So much makeup.
But now
So much makeup.
I know it's crazy. But I want you to tell everybody how this felt, and then what did you think about your skin after?
It's smooth. It's not messy, which I really like. Like when
Yeah,
you put it
very
on, it's not
clean.
like this gloopy crap. Like it's really smooth, silky. The bubbles are nice and small. And I like that you can see them form immediately because sometimes you're rubbing and it's like
I
you
know.
want to work it into a lather and it's like this isn't lathering. And so this lathered very quickly and I could
Exactly.
yeah, and it felt like it was working. And it didn't tingle or anything. It felt really nice.
That's great.
Yeah,
Well, let's do this. Do you want to apply the mask?
let's do it.
Let's
Oh
do
my
it. So
goodness.
open the mask. I always tell everybody it's the one that says Illuminating Mask,
Illuminating mask.
not the one that says Soothe, because Soothe that I added in here, you guys, this is our moisturizer. I always tell people use this as chapstick, like use it for your lips, because only use this if you get super dry. Personally, I did this for people that are very sensitive because it actually has vitamin C and it's a very, it does have a cocoa butter type alternative. So you actually might really like this as a moisturizer.
Sure.
It's a thicker moisturizer, so it'd be good to use at night. Personally, I like using Hyla B, which is a serum. This is hyaluronic acid, so you guys could see it's much smoother and it's more radiant. So I'll show you like when I put this on. Hyla B is one of the most complex. I don't know if you guys know Barbara Strum, but Barbara Strum is an amazing product line, and her hyaluronic is probably known as one of the best in the world. And we did some tests, you guys, and I even performed stronger. So on
Sure.
skin, you could see, look at the radiance look at the glow back and the
Glow.
radiance from just yeah, exactly. That's
Yeah.
super glow.
The
From
J-Lo
just a,
glow.
exactly. From just a little bit of that Hyla B, which is vitamin B, tamarind seed oil, actually, extract, and hyaluronic acid. And tamarind, just so you guys know, is known to decrease inflammation. It's really good for tightening of the skin. It's been used for years, but very rarely in skincare. So we really wanted to. So Gunnar is saying he wants that glow. Go to emeragecosmetics.com, you guys. There's a couple things. You can go to free virtual skincare consults, which is amazing. You can also go and just order the products. And we have Amazing products there. The other thing I didn't talk about in the mask, and if you want, why don't you start applying, because I want everyone to see it. It's retinol based.
The mask? Do
Yeah.
I put it on my whole face?
Yeah, whole face.
Okay. Just so everyone knows, I'm opening this for the first time, and I want you to know this part comes off so smoothly and so quickly.
Okay, I did not want it where you had to go like this.
Yes. No, I just did it with my nail, and I didn't almost break it. So
I know, you guys, actually, you don't even realize. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to see if I can get you guys to see. There's a little piece right here, and it has a little, now that piece, to just have this little, I don't even know what you call it, striation, was like double the price. But I did it because I didn't want people biting on here, because I know what people need. And this is what we need. We need good quality ingredient and good quality products that are packaged properly.
Yes, easily opened.
Exactly. So easy to open, and you know it's fresh, and you know it's sterile and clean, and it was packaged right. So you're going to apply that. So apply that whole thing on your face. Now, here's the thing. It stays on for 8 to 10 hours. You can do, don't be shy. Literally, whole thing.
My goodness.
That. And then here's what I always tell people. You can use it all the way up to the eye, even a little bit above.
Really?
It's just to be careful. Don't get it into the eye. You know what I mean?
Oh, yeah, no.
Give the kids what they need.
Right,
lots of this.
They need. I'm like,
they're asking, are you transgender? Because they didn't hear your
introduction. Oh, yeah, I'm a transgender supermodel, top 10 in the world.
Top 10, you guys. You don't even believe how lucky you are tonight. You're gonna get so much learning tonight. Now, also in this mask, I told you guys there was mixed acid, so lactic acid, salicylic acid, retinol, and TCA. Those help acne, blemishes, wrinkles. What?
Is it safe to put in my eyebrows?
Yeah. I mean, I usually tell people just put a little bit like right here, and then under, but then be really aggressive. Like for you, I would go more towards on the cheek, adding a lot more there. For you, it's just going to be complexion blending. You're going to see just improvement in overall tone because your skin already looks really good. Hi, guys. Hi, Rod. The other thing I was going to tell you is there's also brightening agents in here. Vitamin C, kojic acid, which is known for skin brightening. It's great for darker skin types. It's an alternative to a bleach. Arbutin, which is another antioxidant and brightener, and then niacinamide. You happen to know what niacinamide is or no?
I do not.
So niacinamide is a vitamin B that's actually known to decrease inflammation. So for those that have redness, chronic redness, irritation, acne or rosacea, it really helps. And so if you look at my Instagram today, I posted Kiki, who had a lot of redness, before. And when she applied the mask, she couldn't believe how much her skin improved. Someone is asking, eye mortality. Sweet is asking, is this cleanser or moisturizer? This is not either one.
This is a mask.
This is the illuminating mask that she's going to wear for 8 hours. And she's going to put it full amount, the whole thing on there.
The whole thing.
Keep layering it. Get it on.
I thought you were kidding.
I swear it up. Don't worry. Just swear it up.
I really like the
you know, it's funny. You know how long it took me to figure out the amount we needed and how much would work in one area? Now, some people do neck, they do chest. You need this amount for one area. So if you really wanted to treat like neck and chest and hands, you'd have to get another kit. We're going to have other masks coming out soon, and we're going to have the individual large sizes of all the other things too. So by next quarter, you guys will have it all. But listen, this is the amount you need. This will not burn your skin.
In shock.
I know. It will not burn your skin. It's going to shrink your pores. And even tomorrow, you're going to notice improvement. You will get that little, like I was telling you, that little bit of peeling. You see right here? Can you see it right there? Right here?
Yeah, a little bit.
Get that little bit of peeling you're going to get over the next kind of few weeks. And then all of a sudden, like days 10 to 13, you'll be like, what the hell? My skin looks good. And you won't even believe it. And people are just going to ask, like, why do you look so good? And you're going to say, I did Emer Skin Aerify. No, it's a mixture of things. But again, this is going to boost the regimen that you're currently on. And again, you guys, the Soothe product right now won't be coming out. I know I've had so many people ask me about it. Right now, it's a proprietary moisturizer. It's actually quite expensive and an unbelievable moisturizer. It's not only barrier protection, but it has vitamin C as an antioxidant. There's literally no antioxidant moisturizer out there right now. but because I'm focused on so many other things, you guys won't even believe in about 4 weeks, I'm making an announcement for an amazing product launch for the holidays. I cannot wait. You're just going to die. It's basically, I'll give you a clue. It's something to do with stem cells.
Ooh.
I'm so excited. I know, it's insane. So that will be coming out because there's so many other things I want to do that we're going to have coming out. So right now, no, but Fusion Shield, you guys know the sunscreen that's in the kit. Amazing. It's my favorite. I love the full size. Look at the full size. It's so pretty. And it also clicks in like this, and literally you can throw it in a bag, no problem. So Reese is going to keep putting on the mask, and literally it's covering. I know you're so surprised as to how much there is, but you know what? You're going to be so happy with how good it is, how good it does. Hyla A, which is our nighttime retinol, she'll start tomorrow night. That one will be coming out very soon. High Spot as well will be coming out very soon. That's going to be your go-to brightening cream. I actually use this every day. And then in South Africa, if you guys want it, go to emeragecosmetics.com. We can DHL it to you. We do it literally every day. We've sent to, I think, over 100 countries. It's insane. Wow. Australia, New Zealand, China. We've sent to Canada. We've sent all parts of Mexico, South America, Dominican Republic. We've sent to, oh my God, I can't even tell you, Nigeria. We sent to Nigeria last week, you guys. I'm so excited about it. So it's been amazing. And the thing is, it's just, I want people to be happy. And the reason I made this kit, if you look at the back, and this I love because this almost reminds me of Arisce. I'm like, look, you need to be who you want to be happy in this life. You only have one life. And so I moved from San Francisco to LA with knowing nobody, starting my own practice on my own. And everyone had told me not to. I actually, Chris, just so you know, I add High Spot to Restore C10X twice a day. It's amazing. I don't think anything replaces, just layer. So it says on the back here, it says, beauty is often a judgment placed upon us by others, but courage is a naturally occurring element already inside of you. We believe how you feel about yourself is all that really matters. What do you think of that statement?
I love it.
Because this is what I made my line on. I wanted people to be themselves. Just be happy being yourself, but having amazing skin at the same time. You know what I mean?
Yes.
And you know with the look you give and the struts you make when you have perfect skin and you don't have to worry about it.
Absolutely. And I love going to set very confident knowing that my skin's not a problem. I'm like,
exactly. Yeah. That's what I mean. So I'm super excited because I literally think that this is going to be such a boost, and you're going to have some amazing like BAs, like literally just selfie before and afters that you're going to be able to see like great result. Because look at the ones we posted, you guys. Go to Emerage Skin, look at Jason MRMD. We post them every Wednesday, Sunday, and we have a lot on our stories today. How does the mask feel? Feels
pretty good. Feels like
it's not, you know, most peels burn. They burn the surface and they're inflammatory. This is not. This is a mask. Yeah. What this does, it tells your skin to shed more rapidly. So you actually peel slowly without a burn, which is what you need. Your darker skin, you don't want anything that burns your skin because that can cause hyperpigmentation.
Oh God.
We're getting rid of hyperpigmentation.
Yeah, no, I love this. And it smells fantastic.
Well, I'm going to tell you guys, Helen, I love Helen. Shout out to Helen. She's one of my best friends from Shanghai. She helped me develop this product line. You know Asian skincare and how detailed Asian skincare is.
It's hardcore.
Yeah, very hardcore. So she was like, I only want the best, the most luxurious, the best ingredients. And that's because of Helen from Shanghai. And I love her. Just so you guys know. From Shanghai. So everyone needs to thank Helen from Shanghai. Right. You look good with that mask. We need to do a whole campaign of like, you know, that gold, like the gold mask or something we need to call it. I don't know.
Yeah, I love it.
So that's it, you guys. That's Aerify with Arisce, who's going to look so freaking awesome. They already say you look so young. You both look 20. I love that. Well, just wait till she's done with the mask, you guys.
Right.
We're in that 18 to 21 range.
Right. I'm gonna be
so good. I know. So, all right. Well, thank you so much. Here's the thing I always tell people, because actually Kiki, that did this a couple weeks ago, gave this amazing tip that said, obviously I tell people put a towel or something behind you like a t-shirt when you sleep. So if you get it on, you don't care. But she gave this amazing tip and said, sleep with an airplane pillow because it lifts your head
Oh.
up and it doesn't touch anything. I keep quoting her on this because after all these years, I never thought about that because I have patients that get lasered and they have like, you know, burns and scabs and they're slathered in creams and they get it all over their bed.
Oh.
So she said, yeah, sleep with an airplane pillow and then your head's elevated and you never have to worry about getting anything dirty.
I love that.
I
Yeah,
know, it's crazy.
it's like sleeping like a geisha. Like
It,
they put that
perfect,
brick
I
under
know,
their
but then you
head.
get no wrinkles.
Exactly.
You get no wrinkles then. It's perfect.
It's gonna be
Oh my
perfect.
God.
Yeah.
Well, all right. Well, I love you. I appreciate it
I
so
love
much.
you. Thank you
Thank
for having
you.
me.
And then we'll touch base over the next couple weeks. And then what I'm going to do is in that meantime, I'm going to get you the nude skin because I want you to try it. I think it'll be phenomenal. And then let's see how you do with Emerage skin so we can continue it afterwards.
Perfect.
All
Let's do
right.
it.
All right,
It's
you
fun.
guys, the world famous Arisce. Make sure you guys please follow her. We love her.
All
All
right.
right, have a
Love
good night. Do me
y'all.
a favor. Can you just do this before you go? Perfect. That's going to be the screen cover. I can't wait. That's my
Perfect.
kissy face. That is
Great.
my model look.
Yes, I love it.
That's the best
Yeah.
I can do. That's the
Please
best I
do.
can do as a white Jew from the Midwest. That's all I can do.
I love that.
I
That's Midwest.
That's
is
all I can
unexpected.
say. I know. I always say I'm a minority too. You guys, okay?
You are.
Gay white Jew from the Midwest. That's how it
Right?
works.
We call that an escape from the Midwest.
Exactly. That's why we're here. We're both in LA. All right,
You ain't never
guys.
lied.
To perfect skin, to have beautiful skin and amazing confidence. Have a good night.
Bye.
Bye. That was really great, you guys. We had a great time. I'm going to just really quickly review. And our Emerage skin line, we have the enzymatic polish that I would add as a double cleanse in the morning with the foaming polish that comes in the kit. Use your Fusion Shield sunscreen as your daily SPF. There's other sunscreens I recommend when you're going out in the sun for a longer period of time. But this is going to be your daily tinted SPF. It's going to cover blemishes and other camouflage your dark circles. It's quite amazing on every skin type. And then the Refit Face and Eye are my go-to anti-aging. If you use stem cell products, you got to add this on. If you are not using any growth factors or stem cells, start it. This actually will treat eczema, which is amazing, and so will the mask. The Aerify Kit will actually treat eczema and rosacea, so you can get that at emeragecosmetics.com. And I love Hyla B for those that have perioral dermatitis or maskne and eczema because this is your barrier protection. This is your hyaluronic acid, and this is your plumping, your water holding product. And then vitamin C, you guys, which has in it the blueberry extract for inflammation. It's the only vitamin C on the market that you can get that's double clear like this at this strength, 20% vitamin C without a smell or a color. Unheard of, literally unheard of. So you guys have a great night. Love you all. And thanks again for tuning in to Aerify Live.